Hello crafters, today I'm going to be showing you 5 card making techniques with gelatos. So if that sounds fun, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So the first technique I'm going to be showing you how to make is a very fun baby wipe lift off kind of technique. So the first thing you want to do is take your gelato and put it all over your page, and then you want to blend that out with some water and the brush. This is a brush that actually came in my 12 pack of gelato, so I'm just going to blend that out, and it does blend out very well, I have to say, so I was happy with that. And then I'm going to take my the Crafter's Workshop stencil. This is giraffe print and a baby wipe. I'm just using water wipes just because I have those for my stamps. And then you're going to want to kind of wipe away the exposed part of your of the background showing through the stencil. And don't go too hard so paper doesn't come off. And there you have it. It's a really fun and cool technique. Second technique is how to colour with your gelatos. So I'm using the Tim Holtz Flower Garden stamp set, and I'm going to set down some gelatos. I'm actually setting down 2 of each colour for each flower. So for this I chose my blues. And by the way, I'll have all the colours listed below, and I'll link it to Amazon so you can check them on there as well if you want to. And for the colour, you can do it any way you kind of want. You can do it wet on wet, or I'm just kind of putting down a bit of colour and then blending it out and then doing that with the darker colour. That's how I normally work, and I really find I get best results with that. So I'm just doing it little bit by little bit. I'm trying to do only one petal at a time. That's how, at least I find, I get the best blended results. So there you have it. And once you're done with that colouring of your flower, there's so much product left on your acrylic block. So this third technique is actually to smash it down onto your cardstock, and you get a really nice technique. Make sure to spray it before though. And here I'm going to show you some little colouring footage. I wish I could colour that fast, but that is editing, unfortunately. And here are the finished coloured flowers. So my next technique is a very nice rainbow wash, or you can do it with any colour you want, ombre, or as I'm doing here, rainbow, just all the colours, or all the colours in the pack if you want. So you're going to want to lay your colours down in stripes. And again, I'm just doing the rainbow, so I used as many colours as I could. And you don't have to go all the way to the edges. And then you're just going to kind of blend it. And you first go over each one separately, but then you can kind of go in between the two ones, so you kind of get a colour in between and it blends. It's obviously, this is a very good way to get a very nice ombre. And yeah, you just... So for my last technique, I'm actually going to be showing you this very cool salt technique. So I'm just going to lay my colour down. I just did a really bad background. It looks really bad currently, but once you blend it out, it actually looks kind of very nice, even if I say so myself. And For this technique, do not use big or coarse salt. I actually did it before and it does not work at all. Use fine salt and you get a very nice technique, but coarse salt does not work at all. So you're just going to let it dry, maybe spray a bit of water on it and then flake it off. I just have this little do-across thing for things like that and beads, or you can just put it directly into the bin. And yeah, if you zoom in really close onto it, you get this really cool technique that would look really good on a night sky. Unfortunately, I didn't have any black, but yeah. So if this all sounded fun, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!